In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to a video in CapCut. Whether you're creating a countdown for an event, a workout timer, or simply adding a professional touch to your video, CapCut makes it easy to integrate a timer that fits your unique style. This user-friendly video editing app offers a variety of tools and templates that allow you to create polished and visually appealing content, even if you're just starting out. If you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it for free and follow along with this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the Create New button and click on it. This will launch your project workspace, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to piece together your video and add the timer. Next, select a video template or a background video that you'd like to use as the base for your timer. This could be a pre-designed template from CapCut's library or a video file you've uploaded yourself. Choosing the right template is important because it sets the overall tone and background for your timer and helps it blend seamlessly into your video. Once you've made your selection, simply wait for the template to load into the timeline automatically. This might take a moment, so be patient. Now that your template is loaded, you'll want to add the timer element. To do this, click on the Elements tab, which you'll find in the toolbar. Once you're in the Elements section, use the search box and type in the word timer. This will bring up a variety of timer styles for you to choose from. You'll see options like countdown circles, digital numbers, and more. Picking the right style is key to matching the timer's design with the overall aesthetic of your video. When you've found the timer style you like, drag it onto your timeline once it's in place. Click on the timer element to resize and reposition it. You can adjust its size by dragging the corners or move it to a preferred location, whether that's the top right corner, the bottom center, or anywhere else that works best for your video. Proper placement ensures that the timer is easy to see, but doesn't distract from the main content. If you need the timer to appear in multiple parts of your video, you can copy it. To do this, use the copy option in the toolbar or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Once you've copied the timer, paste it onto other sections of the video template by right-clicking and selecting Paste. It's worth noting that you should ensure the timer layer is always visible above other elements in the timeline. This will prevent it from being hidden behind other visuals. If you accidentally end up with duplicate or unnecessary timer elements, take a moment to delete them. Keeping your workspace clean and organized will make it much easier to adjust the timings later on. With the timer in place, it's time to adjust its duration. Do this by dragging the endpoint of the timer element on the timeline. You'll want to match the length of the timer with the desired countdown duration. This step is crucial to make sure the timer counts down for the correct amount of time, whether it's 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even longer. Once everything looks good, click the play button to preview your video. This will give you a chance to check the timer's placement, size, and functionality. Pay close attention to make sure it's positioned correctly, is clearly visible, and matches the overall flow of your video. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, don't worry. You can backtrack and make adjustments to the timer's duration, size, or position as needed. These refinements are an important step in achieving a polished and professional look for your final video. And that's it. You've successfully added a timer to your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.